Hello, Timmy Nafso here, Executive Vice President of FortisPay. We've been working quite a bit with veterinary clinics and discussing their current technology and their payment processes. One thing that we notice in the space itself is that many vet clinics are actually still utilizing a standalone credit card terminal that sits on the countertop. And the conversations that we've had and the testing we've done in the clinics as well as at the front desk is this concept of really enhancing the experience when it comes to payments at the clinic. So one thing that we notice for sure is that there's often a really strong relationship between the clinic and the patient, the pet owner. And that relationship may extend for years, that they've been coming to this specific doctor for many years, to this clinic for many years. Some are new to that, but they'll continue to come for many years. And there's kind of this geographic as well as personal feeling and relationship between the clinic and the patient, the pet owner. So that being said, what we were asking is this simple question of, how are payments exchanged? And when you're on a credit card terminal and you're utilizing a credit card terminal, it's something that technology has been around for, 20 years plus, and it's very simple. It does what it does. But today there are so many more tools that a clinic can use, a vet clinic can use in order to be more efficient and effective and provide options for the pet owner. So as an example, one thing that's been implemented is this concept of a cloud-based terminal. And that cloud-based terminal essentially allows you to never be down because you can go to a phone to utilize the terminal, you can go to your computer to use a terminal, a laptop, so on and so forth. But the big part of this is this idea of being able to actually build a patient profile, put in a patient's name, a pet owner's name, put a card on file or bank account on file, and help manage payments so they don't have to stop at the desk and make a payment every single time they're there. But in addition to that, one of the biggest parts of this is this ability to actually set up recurring payments. So when somebody's going to have to do a major expensive type surgery or is dealing with something where it's going to cost more than they can afford, you could actually help them by putting them on some type of payment plan really simply by a couple of clicks of a button in the system. One thing that we really like to do is put that system in folks' hands, a FortisPay gateway, so they can actually use it at no cost to them from the perspective of utilizing the system. And the no cost is this concept of no contract, nothing that's going to actually put you in a situation where you feel like you're attached to anything. We want to make sure we can help your practice. And in doing so, if it's not for you, of course, you can leave at any time or look for a different solution. But we're confident if you're using a standalone credit card terminal that we could absolutely help with this and coach your team as to a better way of accepting payments. Not the same way that it's been done for the last 15 or 20 years, but how it should be done in 2018, 2019, and 2020, and what's coming. So we really hope that you give this product an opportunity, take a look at it, think outside the box of how payments can be made, and our team can certainly help with this. Schedule a demo. We're here to help. Thanks for listening.